So this time we're going to create another 3D model using this component. So first that we're going to do is to create the lower part of the component. Now I'm going to create a circle. So for the center of the circle would be 0, 0. And then the diameter of the circle would be 1.75 units. So enter D for diameter, then the diameter is 1.75 units. So we have our circle. So I'm going to rotate our view, and then I'm going to use 3D rotate to rotate our circle. So I wanted to rotate our circle like this. So here I'm going to use extrude command to extrude this so that we have a cylinder. So this along the x-axis, I think it is an x-axis. So the extrusion height would be 1.75. And then what else we need to do? I think it's better to create this hole as well. So first that we're going to do is to change the coordinates to this face of the object. And then I'm going to create a circle. So circle, and then the center point of the circle. So the center, so I think it's better to disable the quadrant and also the tangential of that. So we're going to create a circle again, and then that is that center. So we have a circle. So our circle have a diameter of 0.50 and also a diameter of 0.06. So let's create the 1.06 first. So for diameter, press D for diameter, then the diameter is 1.06. So enter that. Yeah, that's it. And then I wanted to extrude the circle using the extrude command, and I wanted to extrude this. So the length of extrusion is 0.06. So I'm going to subtract that. So I'm going to subtract the main object. I wanted to subtract this object to the main object. So subtract that. Press the main object to the smaller one. So here we have that. And then I'm going to change the face again to this face of the circle. And then I'm going to create another circle. So that circle would be the diameter is 0.5. So press D for diameter 0.05, and then we're going to extrude that. We're going to extrude the circle that way. Subtract this one to this one. There you go. So there, that is the lower part of our component. And then I'm going to change the coordinate to world. And then we're going to make the remaining part of the component. Now I wanted to change the coordinate to this face of the object. Accept that. And then I'm going to use the X line. So I'm going to, in snapping, I'm going to enable the quadrant. Yeah, it's only the quadrant. So I'm going to choose this quadrant of the circle or the cylinder, as well as this side. And then I think that's it. So also an X line to the center of the circle. There you go. Now that we have that, I wanted to use the offset to offset the horizontal X line with the distance of 3.25 units. So there you go. So we're going to zoom out. So there. and then we will have an X line. I know we don't need an X line yet, so we're going to I think we can trim this trim out this X line, or the excess line that we have here. So trim all those things, and then I'm going to use press pull. Yeah, press pull command. So I'm going to choose this area to extrude there. So for the thickness would be 0.5 units. So there. So I'm going to let's see, I'm going to hide this object first, so that I can delete this 2D objects. So unhide the 3D object. Now we have that. I'm going to change the coordinate to world coordinate, and then yeah, that's it. So I'm going to change the coordinate to this face of the object, and then create an X line to the midpoint of the object, and then a horizontal X line as well. And then I wanted to offset the horizontal X line with a distance of 1.25 units. And then we're going to create a circle in this intersection. So this would be the center point of our circle. So the circle would be 0.38 units for the radius. Yeah, like that. And then I'm going to create a P line. So this one, I'm going to click this. The P line is there, and this P line is well here. So we have that. So I wanted to trim this thing, trim the P line as well as the circle. Yeah, I think that's it. I think we can, let's try to use press pull if we can execute this command. Yeah, we can. So I'm going to click select this surface, and then press pull that. So we're going to cut this all the way. Yeah, so like that. So again, we're going to create another circle in this intersection. This will be the center of our circle, and the radius is 0.5. There, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to create a P line as well. There. Again, on the other side. Then I'm going to trim this excess line. So let's try to press pull this surface area, if we can do that. Yeah, we can. So press that with the, I think we need to trim our circle first. So let's trim the circle first. There, and this one. So that. So I wanted to delete, delete this horizontal X line and this X line. So I'm going to use the press pull again, press pull command, and click this surface area. So the depth will be 0.13. There. Now I'm going to delete this X line, and then I'm going to combine this two 3D object. So highlight this two object, then press spacebar to confirm. Now they are combined. So I want to hide this model or this object for a moment, and then I'm going to delete the 2D object that we have. So I'm going to unhide the object, and then change the coordinate to world. So I think we're done. Yeah, we're done making this 3D model.